Hi everyone, in today's video, let us discuss how to assemble and connect a solar panel for illumination. Objectives. At the end of this video, you will be able to number 1. Calculate the total number of cells required to make a series parallel combination for one panel. Number 2. Fix the 4 LED lamps 12 volt by 3 watt at the required position in the lamp. Number 3. Wire the circuit from the panel to the light in the lamp. Number 4. Fix the panel board with control and protection devices to illuminate the lamp. Number 5. Assemble and install solar panels at mid-clamp and rooftop. Let us arrange the tools, equipments and materials required for this exercise. Number 1. Trainee's toolkit, 1 number. Number 2. Power drilling or hammering machine with suitable drill bits, 1 set. Number 3. Solar panel, 15 watt, 12 volt, 1 number. Number 4. Solar cells, 0.45 volt, 125 megawatt per centimeter square, 540 cells. Number 5. Connecting wires, 1 square millimeter PVC cable as required. Number 6. Gang box with 1 switch, 250 volt by 5 amperes, 1 number. Number 7. Panel frame suitable to fix the wired solar cells, 4 number. Number 8. LED lamp with shaded reflector, 12 volt by 3 watt, 4 numbers. Procedure. Task 1. Calculate the number of cells required to illuminate one panel. Assume the lamp voltage is 12 volt and power 3 watts. Number 1. Determine the number of solar cells in series group. Number of cells in series group is equal to total required voltage by volt or cell. One cell is equal to 0.45 volt and 57 milliamperes is equal to 12 volt by 0.45 is equal to 27 cells. 27 into 0.45 is equal to 12.15 volt. Considering line losses voltage of 0.15 volt taken as extra, 0.15 volt taken for lines. Number of series group required for the current of 250 milliamperes is equal to current required for one lamp upon current in one series group. LED lamp requires 250 milliamperes is equal to 250 milliamperes upon 57 milliamperes is equals to 4.38 is equals to 5 groups. Task 2. Assemble of solar panel and its installation. Step 1. Collect solar cells and make the series connection. 27 cells in series on the panel board. Step 2. Prepare 5 number of series connection and wire them for parallel. Step 3. Make 4 similar solar panels in total. Step 4. Locate the suitable places and fix it on rooftop where sunlight are falling directly. Locate the places of fixing panels should not be under shadows of trees and buildings, etc. Task 3. Fix lamps and gang box. Step 1. Locate the lamp position and switch position as short as possible from solar panel for all the 4 panels. Step 2. Wire the panel to gang box and the lamp neatly. Wiring can be done in PVC conduit or PVC casing and capping to give aesthetic look. Step 3. Fix the lamp assembly and complete the wiring with switch control. Step 4. Test the wiring for any short or open circuit fault. Step 5. Connect the wire to the panel terminals and measure the voltage at lamp terminal. Step 6. Connect the lamp and operate the switch for illumination. Step 7. Report to your instructor for his approval. Task 4. Assemble and install solar panel at mid-clamp rooftop. Step 1. Select the roof without shading for the solar panel installation. Step 2. Check that sure the direction of installation of the solar panels receives more sun rays to mount the solar panel. Select an area of roof to install the solar panels that gets the sunlight rays as long as possible all days. The solar panels can either be mounted flush on the roof or stand or mount it at an angle to maximize the position of accessibility to the sun's direct rays. Step 3. Collect contact pipe with M8 into 25 contact base pipe. Step 4. Fix the contact support pipe and contact pipe with M8 into 25 screw. Step 5. Take 2 fixed title rack and position them with rail. Step 6. Put one panel on the rack. Use 2 end clamps to hold and fix it. Attention! End of rail distance is must. Step 7. Install the modules and mid clamp and end clamp. Step 8. Install panel by fixing mid clamp between panels. Step 9. Select the best perfect angle for solar panels with the help of manual to produce the maximum power. Step 10. Drill the hole on the roof with the help of drilling machine. Step 11. Fix the frame with the help of screws and place the panel on frame. So far, we have discussed how to calculate the total number of cells required to make a series parallel combination, fix and wire the 4 LEDs required in the lamp, and install solar panels at the mid clamp and rooftop. Thank you. Have a good day.